buyers, do you want to know why you want to attend a home inspection with your inspector? It will give you a peace of mind when you're buying a home which you have no idea what is inside between the walls. You want to understand the condition of the home and identify the potential issues. Second benefit will be you will be able to identify hidden problems. A professional home inspector is trained to spot hidden problems that might not be apparent during casual walkthrough. By attending the inspections, you will know any issues that need to be addressed, such as structural issues, plumbing or electrical problem, or water damage. Third tip or a benefit, learn critical maintenance items. Attending a home inspection will provide you an opportunity to ask questions to the inspector about critical maintenance of the mechanical items or any filters, water filters, air filters. There are other systems you don't know anything about, maybe the fireplace. They will instruct you everything. And the critical items are two: the water auto shut off and gas auto shut off. You must know. What will it help you with? It will help you increase the lifespan and keep everything in excellent condition. Fourth benefit, negotiation. After writing a contract, realtor will have a licensed inspector report to show where the problems are, how much repair cost is expected, and they will negotiate the price again with you and will save you in thousands of dollars. I have done the negotiation myself with the seller and have gotten a lot of money because it's not fair to you. What is the another benefit? The sixth one, it's the maintenance and repairs that property may require now. That will get fixed by talking to the seller. The final benefit I feel, which is major, is you are building a relationship with your home. You are a CEO of the home. What do I mean by that? I mean that you can start saving the money just like in a business. How you have a capital improvement plan. That way you will know, okay, the AC life is about this, my roof is about this old, I need to buy the water system again, or this microwave is about to go off, and you can start keeping the money aside so you are not in a bind at the end. All this helps you is with peace of mind, gain knowledge, and keep up with the maintenance to keep your house intact and in excellent condition, so when you are ready to resell, your house is perfect. In fact, better than what you even bought it. Hope these tips have helped you. Please contact me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer it. And subscribe to my channel as I release 2 videos every week and you're first one to know about it. Thank you and have a wonderful day.